in this section, I'm going to take you through how to attach Fibonacci on your charts. Fibonacci is a tool sometimes that is used to give you the levels and show the maturity of your trades and the levels that you should take profit. So if at all you are using Fibonacci, that means that the level 1 you can take profit, level 2 you can take the profit, and level 3 you can take the profit. Let me say that this is one of the level that I am using. Okay, and then I'm trading reversal at this point. I'm trading reversal at this point. Okay, so I want to attach Fibo on this chart so that I can know the levels to take my profit. So I come to this is an MT4 that I'm using. I'm using MT4. So I come to my MT4 platform. There is this icon marked F, and it has some dotted lines. So there is a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, now you want to attach Fibonacci retracement to show the levels of retracement. So for me, I will click the Fibonacci, then come to the highest point of the retracement, click there and drag downwards up to the starting point of the reversal. Okay, now level 1, this is 23.6. This can be your entry point. So you enter, if the market is reversing from this point, you enter the trade at here. At 38 you can take your first profit. 39, that is 50, you can take a close of the trade. Here you can close the three quarters of your trade. Then here shows 100%, means that you can see this 100% means that your trade has obeyed. That is sorry for this. That is, your trade has matured at this point. You can close your entire trade. But if there is no reversal sign, still you can ride. So you attach your Fibonacci from the previous. Okay, from the previous high or low. Okay, let me show you. Let me delete this and show you another thing that you can do with this Fibonacci. Okay, list of object. Let me delete. Fibonacci is an object, so you delete it from objects. I want to attach Fibonacci on going downwards. So we have the Fibonacci. Let me say that I want to trade. You see this one. Let me use the trade line. I mark this. You can see these areas. You can see these. You can also see these. Let me attach Fibonacci here to we go to Fibo, the dotted. This was now the turning point. So we attach our Fibo from there. So because we are trading downwards and this is the reversal, so we place our trade here at this point. We take the profit here. Sorry. So I take the profit here.